Welcome to ModiMakes.
What's good, everybody? My name is Modi. This is ModiMakes, and today I'm gonna be working on a commission for the channel. So a fan of mine got in touch with me and wanted me to paint 2 of these washable paper tote bags for them. Normally, I wouldn't recommend using like posca pens and stuff on paper, but being that they are made out of these washable paper materials that seem like they're kind of like analogous to butcher paper with a sort of covering on it so that they can be washed, I actually think the texture and the material is going to work pretty well for using posca pens on them, unlike normal papers that would just clog up the pen and have the fibers rip up for you. Now, I know this is very Trader Joe's hipster deal, but in my ongoing quest to paint on pretty much any weird thing that I can get inspired to do, I felt like this would be a nice, fun little challenge for me, and I'm actually pretty excited about it. Now, being that these are for these tote bag materials, I don't think my paintings are gonna be as melancholic or meaningful as usual. I just kind of want to make interesting designs that I think will look good. So there's not gonna be a ton of message to it. There's not gonna be a ton of story to these pieces. So let's get into it, shall we? Well, there you have it, my peoples. My custom tote bag commissions are complete. And you know, I'm pretty happy with how they turned out. This is a pretty strange commission for me. I don't think I would have done this if I hadn't been asked to do it. But because of that, I had to figure out some creative solutions. And I had an interesting time dealing with the shape of the bag itself and having the straps in the way. And that came out with some interesting solutions that I feel make them pretty aesthetically pleasing pieces. And for that reason, I am happy with how they turned out. But let me know what you guys think of the pieces down in the comments below, and let me know if you have any questions about this video or any other videos I've done. I'm gonna read through them all and respond to them personally, as I always do. And you know, if you like the video, go ahead and give me a like. That would be fantastic. And if you like me, you like the channel, and you want to help support me, the #1 thing that you can do is to subscribe. I really couldn't thank you enough if you did. It means the world to me. And with all that out of the way, without further ado, let's get in those final shots, shall we?
Thanks for watching.